Alexa, turn on gazebo lights.
Okay.
How awesome is that? I'm telling you, this is where it's at. You can put it all around your kitchen. Look at it! So I went with the blue option, and it's all across the wood. You can put it on different surfaces. How fun is this, guys? Honestly, I need to hear feedback. I feel like a Christmas tree. And I wouldn't need to change my hair all the time either. Hi, my name is Cindy, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel, the outdoor edition. What do you think of our new setup? Thank you so much for watching. In this video, we're going to talk about brightening up your life with these strip lights by Lighting Ever, and also a little outdoor action. Now, we were offered strip lights from several companies, but we actually settled with this one here by the Lighting Ever. The reasons we like this one are because they cover everything we need them to do, and we're going to show you exactly what we mean by that. First of all, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Also, please use our Amazon links. If you shop on Amazon, these links are in every one of our videos and they really help us out. And finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before everyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all of the details. Here are the lights. Now, they sent us 4 boxes so we can actually install them in different places around the house. And each one is currently about $40, and they come with 2 spools. And you can join them together to get a total of 32 feet. You could also cut them along the cut lines if you wanted to customize them at a certain length. And I will also mention that the 2-sided tape is super strong, and they won't fall down once installed. Now, the main reason we like this LED light is because they can be controlled by 4 different ways. Now, by operating the controller, one with the remote control, or by using your phone or tablet through Wi-Fi, or by using your Echo or Google Home. And it is great to have all these options available. The lights are actually dimmable as well, with 16 million colors, and they are easy to install. Just peel and stick. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm all about color and living color. Hello. So let's play with this, shall we? Now, they are so fun to use. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it on by facing the controller to the infrared here. And look how cute the controller is. And look, I'm yellow now. As you can see, I've adorned myself. I'm going green and orange. How about pink? You guys have to let me know what color suits me too, right? I am super excited about this, and like, you have so many color options, and what I love about it is that it is so easy to use. It's super user-friendly, and I love it that it can be controlled on Wi-Fi, which I will show you now. And I'm changing the colors, and you can actually go with different types like strobe, fade, smooth, flash, so depending on your mood. How fun is this, guys? Honestly, I need to hear feedback. I feel like a Christmas tree. Now let's walk around the house to show you where we installed them. Actually, we don't even need to go around the house. Look, they're installed on me. No, but we have them all over the house. You're gonna see they're above the kitchen cabinets. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Before we go into the house, why don't we bring it to the outside of the house? And aside from my fabulous adorning, we have the gazebo lights. Alexa, turn on gazebo lights.
Okay.
How awesome is that? I'm telling you, this is where it's at. It's a very bright idea, if I do say so myself. And people are always telling me to lighten up. Like, this is definitely a way to take it to a new level. And I wouldn't need to change my hair all the time either. Here they are under the gazebo. They easily stick to the surface and will not fall down. And they can be used outside as they are IP65 rated. You just need to find a safe place to plug them in. Oh, look at that. Here they are in action at nighttime, lighting up the area. They were so easy to install, as you just peel and stick. Add the fire table when you have a perfect evening. Do you want to have that wow factor? Check this out. Alexa, turn on cabinet lights.
Okay.
Wow. Right? It's so easy, and that's what I love about it. Like, look, you can put it all around your kitchen. You can bring any light to an area that would otherwise be dim and quite grim. Here is a look of how they are installed. You will notice we conveniently had an outlet already installed up there. They easily stick to the surface and bend around the corners. When we reached the end, we cut the strip to the length we needed. Here is a look at them in the evening. You can see they add that extra ambiance to your kitchen. All right, guys, so here we are in the garage. Now I'm giving you the grand tour, and typically the car is the destination point of your garage. Check this out, it's so cool. Alexa, turn on garage lights.
Okay.
Look at it. So I went with the blue option, and it's all across the wood. You can put it on different surfaces, and it's such a nice way to lighten up an otherwise drab and boring space. Maybe I'll do pink for my next one. Now, are you ready for the next level? I'm going to turn off the lights so you can experience it in the dark. Ooh! And then you can see me in a different light. Now you can download the Lamp UX app, and it's super easy to set up. You click on the plus to add new devices, and then select strip lights, and then follow the prompts to get them installed. We already installed 3 of them. All right, so now I'm going to use the app and show you just how easy it is to use. So I'm going to the Lighting Ever test here, and I have the opportunity to change the color. As you can see, it's a fun blue, but you know me, I love my reds. It's like a pinky red. I can go redder. And then the greens are also really pretty. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? All right, and then you can turn it up and down in brightness. And I have a timer as well. So if I want to count it down, I can actually do that by going to the timer and then choosing the amount of minutes. I'm going to schedule it to go off because if I'm not out here, like I'm just going to say 10 p.m. and then click save, and bam, you have the option to turn it on or off. I've chosen off. And there you go. That's how you use it. It's that easy. Well, I think it's safe to say we definitely like these LED strips because they're such strong, amazing, awesome lights. They have strong double-sided tape and they won't fall off. Also because they're voice controlled through your smart assistant, and they can be controlled by your phone or by using the remote control. And they're currently around the $40 mark. However, the price does continue to change. So we put links in the description. And to get more information and the specs, be sure to check that out. Now, if you found this video useful, I ask that you please share it on social media. Also, there are these videos here on the side that you can check out. The video on the top is our most recent one, and below that is my most recommended video, just for you. So please click on either one and check them out. I appreciate all the support you provide to the channel.